Enough of diet regimen. Ito ang inimpose mismo ni Catherine Bernardo right after the bench body of work fashion show kamakailan, to prepare herself nga sa kanyang much-anticipated na pagrampa. The kapamilya actress observed strict diet, na-achieve naman niya ito nang inirampa niya ang kanyang curves, maging ang pintas sa kanya na sakang kung maglakad ay goodbye. Dahil she deliberately deprived herself of food she wanted to eat ay may banta ang aktres. March 29 ang kanyang kaarawan. As of now ay wala pa raw siyang malinaw na plano on that day. Pero isa lang ang tiniyak niya, she'll wolf down lots of food, PG kung PG lang ang peg. And why not? She deserves to pamper herself with the food she loves to eat after weeks of strict diet. Go. Catherine, eat to your heart's content.